Hello, everyone, and welcome to MathX. Today, we're going to solve this equation together. This question is very popular on the internet, but we're going to go a different approach, which I think is smarter and definitely faster. Before we start, we need to know that x and y are integers and positive. Otherwise, the question would have many answers, not one answer that we're looking for. And integers, I'm pretty sure all of you know, integers are like 1, 2, 3, -1, -2 are integers. 1.5 is not an integer. Okay, now let's start by, you see, before we start to factorize x or factorize y, I always suggest let's come up with some solutions, like try to guess numbers. So I would suggest first, let's assume that x is 1. If x is 1, this would be 1, this would be y, this would be y. So 1 plus 2y, 54, which would create this equation that is here. Okay, as you can see, x is 1, but 2y is 53. 53 divided by 2 will be a decimal, not an integer, so it's no good. Now let's assume x is 2. Then this would be 2 plus 2y plus another y is 54, which would create, okay, this one. Now the problem is 52 is not divisible by 3, so y is not an integer. Let's try another one. You know where I'm going with this, right? So if this is 3, 3y, y, okay, the equation will turn into, okay, 4y equals 51. Again, not an integer because 51 is not divisible by 4. But I want you to notice that there is a pattern. This number is getting less by 1, and the number of y are increasing. So if x is 4, and then 5y is 50, so y would be 10, x would be 4. And this difficult question has been answered very, very easily. So the answer to the question is 14. Let me highlight the answer as well. This is 14 would be the final answer to the question. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like the video and consider subscribing to the channel.